Manufacturers are evolving towards a future where the intelligence available from smart, automated systems at the very edge of their processes and where data is born drives scalability, simplified maintenance, and secure data management. Introducing Edge Process Management, cutting edge, data-centric and distributed. This scalable automation platform enhances human and machine collaboration to optimize processes, boost efficiency, support growth, and secure a connected future. Imagine a world where humans and machines evolve together, transforming factories into agile centers of innovation and efficiency. A world where intelligence starts right from the edge of your process and intuitive interfaces enable humans and machines to collaborate, and every data point, connection, and device is protected with robust cybersecurity. Edge Process Management makes this possible with a unified architecture, a range of interconnected industrial devices that span data management, process control, power control, and automation solutions through a common set of hardware components and software. Human-machine collaboration is enhanced through intuitive software and touchscreen interfaces utilizing the latest web technologies. With a global reputation for precision control, Eurotherm's EPM platform scales with your process. With a range of versatile EPM I/O modules that provide easy expansion through click-to-fit installation and are capable of supporting hundreds of independent loops of control. EPM also offers a DIN rail option for greater convenience in more compact installations. An array of advanced, flexible, and secure communications protocols provide greater connectivity and integration and deeper insights across plant and enterprise from the edge where data is born and value is created. Edge Process Management drives scalability, simplifies maintenance, and protects process data.